Hey friends, I'm coming at you with something a little bit different for my channel, but I thought this would be motivation in many forms this year. If you are new to us, we have actually moved back to the East Coast, to Pennsylvania from Colorado. We were landlocked for 12 years and we were super excited to bring our kids to the shore, to the ocean, the boardwalk, and really experience just a fun little East Coast small beach town. And we're not sure where we're gonna go. We have a few places in mind, but with that being said, this video is sponsored by Cupshe. They sent over some of their beachwear dresses and just flowy pieces that are absolutely beautiful. I have a lot of their bathing suits, but I never knew that they had clothes. And I am postpartum by 8 months. I've had 4 children. When it comes to style, I typically am going for something secondhand, but lately I haven't really had much luck finding items that works with what I need it to. So most of my clothes need to be functional. They also need to be comfortable, and I want them to withstand the test of time. I want them to work within every season. I know this is kind of geared towards resort wear or beach wear, but I see a lot of these pieces and I see me wearing them in the winter time with layered pieces as well. So I am super excited to show you these. I haven't done a try on haul in a very long time, so work with me. When it comes to confidence, I show you the garden, I show you the food, and I am confident in that. But with these pieces, it gave me that boost of confidence that I really needed to. I am a stay-at-home mom, so it's not a lot that I get out and socialize or I get out and want to wear something nice. So these pieces really just brought joy and color to my wardrobe. As you can see, I'm in gray right now with Christmas still happening behind me. So it just gave me that, I don't know, warmth, that joy that I was missing out on. The springtime here in PA can be a little unpredictable. So I will have everything linked that you need in the description box down below. And I decided not to style these pieces in hopes that maybe you could give me some pointers yourself. If you have the time, I would love to hear your comments in the comment box down below, and let's get into the haul. Starting strong with a piece that I chose right off the bat, and it's totally me, just this really beautiful detail. It has some deep V action happening, and that's important to me just because I am breastfeeding, and when we are going to the beach, I needed a piece that could maybe pop on over a bathing suit, and I love that it has pockets. You might hear me say that a few times, but I always need a pocket as a mom of 4. You need to stash things where you can. So I love that this piece has functionality. I do love that it is short sleeve. Some of these items are tank tops, but the short sleeve is really where I'm the most comfortable. I would describe my style as more modest, flowy, but comfort. Comfort is the name of the game for me in this era of my life. So I really loved this. I felt like the material itself was extremely well made. As you know, I have a textile background, so materials are important to me, and how they feel on the skin, where they're sourced from, are they breathable, and I really love this. So as you can see, it's cinched at the center here, and this was one of my favorite choices. All right, the next piece that I found was this really beautiful floral dress. I needed a basic that could work with a lot of different items in my closet. And as you know, I'm classically in muted tones, or perhaps a graphic tee or a flannel. So even just a beige flannel would look nice with this. I really do love that you can dress it up or you can just leave it pretty casual. Oftentimes you will find me in the garden or running around with the kids, but I lose track of time and we have to pop out and go somewhere quickly. So I love that this dress has functionality. I love that it is not completely floor length, so it will be nice to wear even with tennis shoes. I just think it's super beautiful, and the lace detail is really pretty on here. It does have a cinch center, and the material is really lovely on the skin. Alrighty, so I also picked up this piece. It is very bright, but I love red. I think red works well with my complexion. As you can see, it ties on the tank top part here. I do love the length on this, although it is a bit short. You could wear biker shorts underneath this. It could be over a bathing suit if you wanted to, but the material is just like a rayon and it's so nice. I love that this is a little bit more of a thick material, so you could put leggings on this and a sweater and call it good for the winter time as well. Again, I tried to go out of the comfort zone for some of these pieces, and this bright red is just super pretty, and I feel like, again, you can dress it up or really go whatever way you want with this. I do love that it is the V-neck, and I love how it fits on me. A little bit flowy. You could totally cinch it with a belt if you wanted to, but I do love this piece, and it comes in different colors. The next piece I got was just a classic cover up. You can see that it's a bit see-through. This would be great for over a bathing suit, but you could wear something underneath this if you want. Dare I say it is buttery soft. I know you all hear that a lot if you watch try-on hauls, but it is just so soft to the skin, and I really love how it hangs on my skin. As you can see, it is a short sleeve, but it has a bit of a crop to it, and then the bottom is hemmed, and it just works well. Again, another piece that is a V-neck, so that will be nice to have, and I love that I can just pop this on if we are at the beach and we need to head up to the boardwalk, or if I'm in the garden and I want something to cover up with. I think this is really beautiful, and it's just a classic staple, a classic black dress that anyone could use in their closet. All right, this next piece was something a bit out of the comfort zone, but I knew I loved the pattern. I thought it was super pretty, and I do like that it is a tank top. It does have a zipper in the back, which is really nice, and then the straps are adjustable. I just love that pattern. It is so classic and timeless. My wedding dress had really pretty flowers on here that was embroidered, and that was I of course loved my wedding dress, but that was more of a vintage piece where the pattern on this I really love. I think it's colorful, fun, and it does kind of remind me of my wedding dress with some of these really pretty flowers, and it gives off like that stitched vibe, but it's not, it's just into the fabric. So I love this fabric. It's super lightweight, but it's very durable, and it's a well-made dress, which I really enjoy. And again, it is floor length, so it just gives you a few different options, which is awesome. Okay, the next one I saw was this striped number. I feel like stripes are classic, timeless, but I do love that this is more of a tan or a beige with the black. So that was important to me. It's not too bright. Again, I really do like that it has this top here with the tank top, and then this is a very long dress as well, so it gives you a lot of room. I think this would be really cute with a baby bump, but of course I'm partial, so I feel like this would be really nice at the beach as well. It's very lightweight, but again, well made, so it does have room to breathe here, and then you do have the adjustable straps, which are nice. You could use this as a cover up if you wanted to, but I think just as a classic black and white, it would look really nice. So I really do enjoy this dress. I had to get something that would withstand the test of time, and this dress will do that. Okay, I did save some of my favorites for last, but I love this kind of retro looking dress. I am very much a fan. Look at the patterns in here, and the teal really comes through with that orange. I do enjoy that this has an adjustable strap, and it just goes right around the neck there. Again, breastfeeding friendly, and then the back gives you some room to breathe as well. This could totally be a cover up, but I do like the length on this. I will probably wear it with capris or leggings just because that's how I do things, but it would be really cute in the garden too, just on a hot summer day with a pair of leggings and this, or you could just wear it as is. I think it has a lot of function here, and I do love that retro vibe when it comes to this dress, and I do think this one is definitely true to size. Okay, if you know me, you know I love a good crochet or a good knit material. I probably have one in every color, but this has the bell sleeves, which are super pretty, and then it has the black on the end, which I wasn't sure if I'd like black on the hem, but I really do. I think that's interesting, and you could pair this with some gold details, and it can totally be an over over the bathing suit situation, it is long enough and flowy enough to do that, or it could just be as is. I think this is a true resort wear. You can, you know, wear this to dinner if you want to, or you could just wear it on the beach. I really do like the material. It is definitely on the heavier side, but it has that breathability just because of the holes, and I think it's super cute. It would be great for a windy beach night. I'm just thinking of different scenarios, but I love it. I loved it as soon as I saw it, and it's even better in person. Speak of knits, of course, I got another one. I got a vest. I have been wanting a vest for the longest time, just to wear as is, or you can pair it with something else. You could put it over top of a dress. You could wear it with jean shorts. I really thought this would be versatile. I love how flowy it is, and the details are super pretty. The buttons are functional, and it's definitely true to size. The back of it does have some breathability here, so this would be great in the garden if you wanted to. I'm thinking of farmers markets. I'm thinking of this with a long flowy skirt and kind of bring it back to the 90s type of vibe, Practical Magic-esque if you're feeling that. But I really enjoy this. I think it's cute and very unique, and it will be nice for the summer months, but I think it will be cute in the fall too. Alrighty, last but not least, I wasn't sure if I would love this, but it became my favorite piece. It is so pretty. It is a knit material. It is so soft, and I love the gold seashell detail. I wasn't sure. I'm not one to have embellishments on my outfits, but this was so pretty. It is flowy. It is definitely true to size. This would be something I would hang dry, but again, I think it would be nice for a beach dinner. It does have the bell sleeves, so it just adds that feminine vibe to it, and I think it would be cute over a bathing suit, or you could just leave it as is. This hair over here, my gosh. And again, I really like that kind of muted gold here. It's not too yellow, and I think it will look super cute, you know, just about anywhere. But again, that dinner or over a bathing suit would look really nice. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed each piece. I hope I went over some details. Again, I would love to hear how you style them down in the comments below. Thank you so much to Cupshe. All of their details will be in the description box down below, and let's get right back into our day.